Greetings, tech investigators. This is Mystery Curtain with your next big review. We'll power up the latest gadget, put it through its paces, and uncover whether it's a game changer or just another overhyped toy. The Realme 15T has just launched in China in early September 2025 and quickly captured attention as a mid-range device that blends a surprisingly slim design with a massive 7,000 mAh battery, MediaTek Dimensity 6400 Max chipset, and a price starting at only $245, making it one of the most aggressively positioned smartphones in its category. At first glance, the Realme 15T follows a minimalist design language with a matte, textured plastic back and a dual camera module, laid out in a style that may remind users of Apple's iPhone 16 Pro line, giving the device a familiar flagship-like feel. The phone impresses immediately by managing to pack such a large battery into a body that measures only 7.79 millimeters thick and weighs just 181 grams, which means users can enjoy extended battery life without sacrificing comfort or portability. Around the sides, the flat frame is neatly finished, with all physical buttons positioned on the right, while the bottom houses the USB-C charging port, SIM slot, and speaker, all perfectly aligned for a premium look that rivals much more expensive flagships. On durability, the Realme 15T pushes boundaries in its segment by offering IP69, IP68, and IP66 certifications, ensuring resistance to dust and water, including survival in up to 2 meters of water for 30 minutes, making it well equipped for daily mishaps. Moving to the display, the phone features a 6.57-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 2372 by 1080 pixels, providing vibrant and sharp visuals. While the bezels are not the slimmest, especially the slightly thicker chin, the real highlight is its staggering 4000 nits peak brightness, making outdoor visibility under direct sunlight crystal clear and far beyond what is usually found in mid-range devices. The panel also supports advanced eye protection technologies with high-frequency 2160 Hz PWM dimming and DC dimming, helping reduce eye strain during extended nighttime use. Inside, performance is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 Max built on the 6nm process, paired with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage, cooled by a large 6050mm vapor chamber cooling system, ensuring smooth multitasking and stable performance even under gaming loads. The phone runs Android 15 with Realme UI 6 and promises 3 major Android version updates, along with 4 years of security patches, showing strong long-term support for a mid-range device. Software features are rich with smart AI tools integrated into Next AI, offering AI-assisted photo editing, translation, music generation, and intelligent notifications that bring live weather, alarms, and schedules directly to the lock screen. Cameras on the Realme 15T include a dual system on the back, with a 50 megapixels OV50D40 main sensor with electronic image stabilization, paired with a 2 megapixels monochrome sensor, while on the front, another 50 megapixels OV50D40 sensor ensures sharp selfies and video calls, more than sufficient for everyday photography. The star of the show is undoubtedly the 7,000 mAh battery, built using advanced lithium-ion titanium dioxide cells with an energy density of 801 Wh. In stress testing with maximum brightness, volume, and Wi-Fi active for 5 continuous hours, the device still retained 76% charge, suggesting that even heavy users can expect more than a full day of use. Charging is handled by 60W wired fast charging along with basic 5W wireless charging, and Realme claims the battery will retain over 80% capacity after 1600 charging cycles, equating to roughly 4 years of consistent reliability. Altogether, the Realme 15T manages to combine sleek design, flagship-like features such as water resistance and extreme brightness, AI-driven software, solid performance, and a battery life unmatched in its price bracket, making it one of the most intriguing mid-range devices of 2025, and a serious value for money competitor in the global market.